Hey Lauren, check this joke out. A guy asks a lawyer, "What's your fee?" "I charge $50 for 3 questions," the lawyer says. "That's awful steep, isn't it?" the guy asks. "Yes," the lawyer replies. "Now what's your final question?" That's too good. Oh, that's too good. Get it? Because he already has 2 questions.
Oh, good Lord.
Oh, I'm crying, man. It's too good. Oh, it's too good. Oh, it's too good. Do an outro. That's I can't even write that. It's too good.
Hi, this is Lauren from offthewagonshop.com, and when you just can't find the words for what you need to say, check out our disappointed sigh, available at offthewagonshop.com.